Welcome back to my channel Mahesh English Times. In case you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe it right now and encourage me for making more videos on research on English literature. Also like my videos. If you like them, you can ask questions. I'll be answering all the queries raised by you in the comment section. Today's video is devoted to the thing called research question. Now, a very important thing related to research in English literature is that whenever you are thinking of a topic of doing research on, the first few things that should come to your mind are the research questions. If you are very clear which issue you are going to raise in your research, in your PhD thesis, on what particular topic, on what particular issue you are going to do research, whose outcome you will be finding out, whose solution you will be finding out, it becomes very easy for you to narrow down on a research topic. So before deciding your topic, before deciding the title of your research in English literature, it will be very nice if you think about the issues that are existing in the contemporary society. What are the issues that are being there all around? There are so many issues related to politics, pollution, relationships, health issues. So many issues are there, and you can raise these issues and find a possible outcome or a solution to these issues. But most important thing is that you have to link these problems to the books. You have to link these issues to literature. Suppose you are raising an issue of relationship, then you have to find literature or books or novels which are based on that relationship issues. So you can link it with those books, and then through your research, through interdisciplinary research, you can come to the solution of that problem. So remember, first step while deciding a research topic or a title is thinking of research questions. So let's see what exactly it is and what could be the possible research questions in the current day scenario.
So now we will see what do we mean by research questions. So research question is any issue that you are raising in your research, any problem that you are raising in your research. The research question needs to be answered in your thesis. You have to find a solution to that issue in your research. Research question needs to be framed in the question form only. So when you are framing, when you are writing a research question, the list of research questions in your thesis, you have to frame it in the format of a question. It has to be in the question form. Research questions are different from research objectives and hypotheses. They are not similar to objectives and hypotheses, although research objective and research questions are more or less same. But again, the framing of the sentence is different for research objective. Framing of the sentence is different for a research question. A thesis can have more than one research questions. So this is something very, very important, that you can have more than one issue raised in your thesis, whose possible outcome, whose probable solution you are going to find out. Now here I have given certain list of research questions, the problems that are existing in the present day society, whose solution you can find out, whose literature also you can find out. This is just a format, this is just an example. Similar to these, you can search out, and then using those research questions you can zero down on your research topic. So some research questions are like, can third gender be treated as any other gender? Now see the format, it is a question. What can be done for rehabilitation of acid victims? A very burning issue of acid attack victims. Books are written on it. This question can be raised by you as a research scholar. Solution can be found out by you. Again, see the format, it is in the question form. What can be done for emotional healing of rape victims? So this is again one problem that can be taken up and that can be used as a research question whose solution can be found out. After removal of Article 370, is Kashmir problem solved? Again, a burning issue, and there are so many books which can be used as a primary data and research could be conducted on it. How can Kashmir Pandits return to homeland? And lastly, does teaching of mythology be made compulsory in schools? So mythological books like Ramayana and Mahabharata should be taught at the school level, and will it impact the minds of the young generation? So these are the research questions. There are ample books You can link it to those books, frame a research topic for your research and do your research. But remember that you have to find a solution to these questions. Then only your research is fruitful and useful for the society. Thank you so much for watching my video. For queries or any sort of guidance related to research in English literature, you can always message me in the comment box. Thank you so much.